Hello, this is Robert from VibrantHealthRestore.com. If you're looking for natural solutions to your toddler's skin challenges, be sure to visit VibrantHealthRestore.com. If you think your toddler has eczema, but you're not sure, this short video will give you visual examples of what to look for. And if you want a safe, simple solution you can take action on, I'll tell you about that at the end of this video. What we're going to talk about are toddler eczema symptoms. In mild cases, the baby's skin is only slightly dry, red, and scaling, and the rash appears only in small areas. Here are two examples. The first is an example of mild eczema on a baby's face, and here's an example of mild eczema on a baby's hand. Eczema on babies and toddlers is generally found on the face, neck, arms and elbows, knees and legs, ankles, and the groin. Here are several examples. In this photo, the eczema is a little more pronounced and covers a larger area of the face. In this photo, you see eczema on the elbows and the arms in 3 different locations and at different levels of severity. In this photo, you see a mild example of eczema on the back of the knees and the legs. Here's an example of what happens if the cause of the eczema is not discovered. It progresses to a very painful skin condition. Initially, you cannot see eczema, but after your baby begins to scratch the irritated area, little red pimples begin to appear. Here's an example of what that looks like. Then, after repeated scratching, the red pimples begin to weep and join together to form large areas that become encrusted. This photo shows a severe case of eczema on a baby's hand. If the source of your toddler's eczema goes undetected, it will continue to advance in severity. The rash becomes more and more obvious and can almost cover the entire body, as you see in these 2 photos. As it continues to worsen, the eczema weeps and infections are likely to occur. Also, infections that affect the skin, such as chickenpox, can be unusually severe on children with eczema. Here are 4 examples of severe eczema cases. Here on a baby's face, here on the back and the neck, and 2 more on baby faces. Eczema occurs because your baby is in contact with something that is causing your child to have this allergic reaction. When you remove this irritant, the eczema will fade. So one of the questions to ask yourself is, what is causing your toddler's allergic reaction? Is it the clothes your toddler is wearing? Is it the laundry detergent used to wash your baby's clothes? Is it the soap or shampoo used to clean your child? Simply realize something is causing this allergic skin reaction. So if your baby is showing the beginning signs of eczema, I encourage you to go to VibrantHealthRestore.com and get a free expose so you can discover the leading causes of toddler eczema. And if you can't go there right now, at least make sure your baby is wearing 100% organic cotton clothing and is sleeping on cotton bedding. Just below this video is a box that looks like this. What I want you to do right now is to go to this blue link in the box below. Click that link and get your free expose. It exposes the source of your toddler's pain and what you can do to restore your child to vibrant health.